Hello, my dear student and viewers. Hope you are enjoying these classes and hope you are well too. Now, today we are going to start same chapter mensuration where we have left yesterday. Okay? Okay, now carry on. Yesterday we have done some numerical problem of circle. So, one question I am going to revise again. Suppose this is the circle, this is the center of the circle, and this is a line passing through the center of the circle. Now, suppose we have given the value of this line, and this is suppose 14 centimeter. Okay. Now, we have to find out radius, circumference, area. Okay. Okay. Now, start the solution. What is this line? We have already discussed about this line. A chord which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter. So, it is a diameter of the circle. The diameter is given 14 centimeter. The question is, if diameter of the circle is 14 centimeter, then find its radius, circumference and area. So, now we are going to find. So, first of all, you recognize which line is what, which line is radius or diameter or circle or area or other things. So, here in this question diameter is given. So, in given what we write, diameter of the circle D is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle, right here in circle, radius R is equal to D by 2. We know D means 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. And then circumference of the circle, C is equal to, we can use either pi d or 2 pi r. I am using here pi d. Pi means 22 upon 7, d means 14 centimeter. So, it 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, it is cancelled, it is 44 centimeter, and the unit of the circumference is centimeter. So, the circumference is 44 centimeter, and area A is equal to, what is the formula? The formula is pi d square upon 4 or pi r square. So, I am using here today pi d square upon 4. Pi means 22 upon 7, d means 14 whole square upon 4. Okay. Now, if you solve, you will get I think 154 you will get 154 centimeter square. Or if you do in detail, then you can do it 22 upon 7, 14 means 196, square of 14 is 196 upon 4. And now cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and then 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Now multiply this 11 and 14. 11 4s are 44, 11 1s are 11 and 4, 15, 154 centimeter square. Yesterday I have used area of the circle as pi r square. Today I have used area of circle pi d square upon 4. The result will be same. So, it is the revision class of yesterday. Today we are going to do some new numerical problem. Okay, this is the revision one. Okay. Now see, this is a circle and this is the center of the circle. There is one diameter. Suppose the diameter is AB and center is O. This line AB is called diameter. We have already discussed why it is called diameter. A chord which passes through the center of the circle is a diameter. This is a chord. You can say what is a chord? You will study in geometry. Simply, chord is the distance between 2 points on the circumference. Again, what is chord? Chord is the distance between 2 points on the circumference. This is the definition of chord. And what is diameter? Diameter is a chord. Diameter is a chord which passes through the center of the circle. So, this AB is a chord which passes through the center of the circle. That is why AB is a chord. Clear? This is also, if you draw here, this is also a chord. There are so many chords in a circle. There are so many chords or diameter in a circle, all are diameters. What I am going to teach you that these all are diameter and all diameter of the circle are equal. Likewise, radii of the circle are equal. Same way, all the diameters of the same circle are equal. These all are the diameters. Now, take another circle, that is name here P, this is the center Q R. In this circle PQR is a diameter. Now, what I am going to teach you that a diameter of the circle divide the circle into two equal parts. Again, a diameter of the circle divides the whole circle in two equal parts. This is the diameter, this divides the circle part, this is upper part and this is lower part. Two, and both parts are equal, this part and this part both are equal. Okay. Again, this diameter always divides the circle into two equal parts. Any diameter, here so many diameters are there. If this is a diameter, then this part and this part are equal. If this is a diameter, then this part and this part are equal. If this is the diameter, then this part and this part are equal. Only a diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, and each part is called semicircle or half circle. Again, each equal part is called semicircle or half circle. That is why these two areas both are called semicircle. Semi means half, semicircle or half circle. Semicircle or half circle. This is also same. So, what is semicircle? So, what is half circle? A diameter divide the circle in two equal parts, and each part is called semicircle or half circle. Only diameter, not a chord. Look here. Suppose it is a chord. This is the center. This is a diameter. Suppose this is a BC. BC is a diameter. This is a chord. This chord also divide the circle into two parts, but this chord does not divide the circle into two equal parts. One part is this, one part is this part is smaller, this part is bigger. We read this in detail in geometry. Only what I mean to say that chord divide the circle into two parts, but diameter divide the circle into two equal parts, and each equal part is called semicircle or half circle. Or in opposite way, you can say, if there is half circle or semicircle, then there must be a chord. there must be a diameter. A diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Each part is called semicircle or half circle. Same way, if anywhere semicircle is given, then there must be a diameter. You should consider, because diameter makes semicircle, that is why if anywhere semicircle is there, there is a diameter. Okay. So, this is a semicircle, and suppose it is circle, it is a diameter. This both part is semicircle. If we rough this, again this is the semicircle. If the given figure is semicircle, then this line must be a diameter of this circle. Semicircle can be made this way also or this way also. If full circle is given, there is a diameter, then both part are semicircle. If only semicircle is given, then this is always a diameter. Okay. Now, why are we reading this? Because we are going to do some numerical problem of semicircle. Okay. From the given circle, from the given figure, not circle, from the given figure, find circumference and area, find area and outer boundaries. Outer boundaries. From the given figure, find area and outer boundaries. And what is the figure? This is the figure. Here O is the center of the circle. This line is given 21 centimeter. From this figure, we have to find out area and outer boundaries. The given is in the given figure, O is the center and O is the center of the semicircle. Semicircle, and find area and outer boundaries. So, what is given in the figure? Given in the figure is semicircle or half circle, and this 21 centimeter means this 21 centimeter is the radius of the circle or semicircle. So, we have to find out area and outer boundaries. Let first take area of the formula of area of circle. What we have given? In given radius R is equal to 21 centimeter. Okay. First of all, find area of full circle. Find area of full circle. So, we know area of full circle. Area of full circle is pi r square. Area of full circle is pi r square. Now, put the value. Pi means 22 upon 7, r means 21 whole square. Now, so simplify it, 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. Multiplied 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6 into 22, and now we multiply 6 3 into 22 1386 centimeter. This is the area of the full circle, but we have to find out area of half circle. So, to find area of half circle, you divide this value by 2. Therefore, area of semicircle is equal to 1386 divided by 2. It will be 2 6 is 12, 2 9 is 18, 2 3 is 6 centimeter square. This is the area of semicircle. In this way, when we have to find out area of half circle, first of all you find the area of full circle and result divide result by 2, will get area of semicircle. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? Outer boundaries. Outer boundary means outer boundary of this semicircle. What is the outer boundary? This part is a boundary and this part is also a boundary. So, many students what do hear that he or she finds circumference of the circle and divide by 2. It will be only the result of this part. We have to find out outer boundaries. Outer boundary means this part plus this part. What is this part? This part is diameter. So, to find outer boundary of this figure, we have to add length of this part and length of this part. So, only you find circumference and then divide by 2, then the result will be of this part only, and in that result you must add this part, and then only you can find outer boundaries of this semicircle. So, we are going to find first circumference of this circle, then divide by 2, it will be circumference of half circle, and then we find this. This one is diameter. This is called diameter. And what is the length of diameter? Yesterday we have discussed diameter is the double length of radius. So, find first 2 number D, diameter. D is equal to 2R, 2 into R means 21, that is 42 centimeter. This part is 42 centimeter. Now, circumference of the full circle. Circumference of full circle, C is equal to 2 pi R. Now, look here, C is equal to 2 into pi means 22 upon 7 into R means 21. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. 44 into 3, 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12 and 13. This is the circumference of full circle, but we have to find out circumference of half circle. Then circumference of half circle and semicircle are same, you can use both the terms. Half circle is 132 divided by 2, divide the circumference by 2. This is equal to 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12 centimeter. This is the length of this part. Outer boundary means this part and this part also. And finally, to find outer boundary, you add this part and this part. Now, outer boundaries is equal to this part means 66, this part means 42. 66 plus 42 will get 8, 10. 108 centimeter. This is the answer. So, in this way we can find the area and outer boundary or perimeter or circumference of the semicircle. The area is very easy. You find area of the full circle, then you divide by 2. But be careful while finding perimeter or circumference on the outer boundary of the semicircle. Most of the students do find only this half circumference and answer. But what will we do? First we find half circumference of the half circle and we add the diameter. Then it will be the perimeter of the semicircle or outer boundaries or the circumference. Okay. So, this is all about semicircle. Now, we take another example. I think it will be the last question of the circle. This is a circle. Suppose it has center O and this is another circle having same center O. Suppose we have to find out area of this sided region, area of this sided region. The radius of this circle is 7 centimeter. The radius of this circle is 21 centimeter. Okay. Now, we have to find out area of this sided region. Okay. First of all, I want to tell you that in geometry, if you read circle, then this type of circle is called concentric circle. Concentric circles. Concentric circle means two or more circles are called concentric circles if they have same center point. In this figure, this small circle has also same center point and this big circle has also same center point. So, these two types of circle is called concentric circles. The two or more circles having same center point is called concentric circles. Okay. So, this is concentric circle. We can make suppose these three circles have also same center point, then these three circles are called concentric circle. In this way, 5 circle, many circle we can take example of concentric circle. So, this is the concentric circle and we have to find out area of this shaded region, or we can say the circular path of this two circle. In geometry, this shaded region is also called, the circle is called concentric circle, and this shaded part is called annulus, A-N-N-U-L-U-S, annulus. Sometimes you may be asked that find the area of annulus or annulus. I called it annulus, but it may be annulus also. Sometimes you may be asked that find the area of annulus. There is not given find the area of shaded region or etc. Directly you can given that you can be given that find the area of annulus or annulus. So, what is annulus? Annulus is this part is called annulus. In concentric circles, this part is annulus. But remind one thing, that suppose one circle is here, one circle is here. In this circle, they have different center point. That is why at that time these are not called annulus. To be annulus, the circle must be concentric. Okay? So, sometimes we may be asked that find the area of this shaded region or find the area of annulus. Okay? How to find out? My time is going to finish, so I am giving only concept. How to find out? First, find area of big circle. Big circle. Suppose this is A1 by using formula pi r1 square. Suppose the radius of big circle is r1, that is 21 centimeter. The radius of small circle is 7 centimeter. You first find area of big circle by using same formula pi r square. Put the value 22 upon 7, r means 21 whole square, you will get the value of big circle, area of big circle. Similarly, find area of a small circle, that is A2, formula is same pi r square. Put the value 22 upon 7 into 7 square, you will get the area of small circle. And to find this annulus or shaded region, subtract area of small circle from area of big circle. To find annulus or the shaded region, subtract area of small circle from area of big circle. So, therefore, in 3 number, area of shaded region is equal to A1 minus A2. A2 means area of small circle, A1 means area of big circle. Now, put the value, you will get the answer 22 upon 7 into 21 whole square minus 22 upon 7 into 7 whole square, you will get the result. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Thank you very much for circle today, circle problem. And now I am going to say something which I got from my friends who told me after watching my video. He told me that one of my friend told me that you did not give the concept of pi while teaching circle, and I was very much happy that my friend reminded me that how to introduce pi, why we introduce pi in the circle. So, in very short I am going to tell about that, why, what is pi, what is the value of pi and where it is used. Okay, in very short. So, what is pi? What is pi? The pi is a Greek letter, Greek alphabet or letter, like English alphabet, Hindu Nepali alphabet, English alphabet A B C D, Hindu Nepali alphabet Ka Kha Ga Gha. These are the alphabet of different languages. Same way, pi is also a letter of Greek language. This is called pi. This is a letter, like we use A, B, C, D. In Greek, they use alpha, beta, gamma, lambda. These are. Out of this, pi is a letter which is used for many things. In circle, we use the pi is the ratio of circumference of the circle and the diameter of the circle. What is pi? Pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter of the circle. Either the circle is big or small. If you find circumference and their radius. If we find circumference and their radius, if we find circumference and their radius, and we find the ratio of circumference and the diameter, will get same, will get same result 3.14159 in every circle, either it is big or very small, always the ratio is constant, and this constant is denoted by this pi. This constant is denoted by this pi. Okay. Somewhere you can also see that pi is 22/7, but exact value of pi, these two are not equal. 3.14159 and 22/7 are not equal, they are similar but not equal, but sometimes we use in the place of this we can use this, in the place of this we can use this, but they are not same. Once again, what is pi? Pi is a Greek letter like alpha, beta, gamma, lambda, which is used for ratio of circumference and diameter of the circle. I have a short slide, we can see from there. Okay. Please slide, please. See here, this is Greek alphabet. There are 24 alphabet in Greek alphabet or Greek language. They are alpha, beta, gamma, delta. See here, 24 alphabet are there. In English language, there is capital letter and small letter. Same way in Greek alphabet, there is uppercase and lowercase. See there, alpha, beta, gamma, lambda, so many alphabet are there, 24, and that on the right side pi is there. Pi is a Greek alphabet. Most of the mathematician is from Greek, that is why they used their own alphabet during mathematical problem or any problem. So, pi is a Greek alphabet, and this pi is used here in the circle to denote the ratio of the circumference and the diameter of the circle, which is always same, either it is big circle or it is small circle, and the value is near about 3.14159. So, what is pi? Pi is a Greek letter which is used for the in circle for ratio of the circumference and diameter. Okay. Please next. See, what is pi? Here is given circumference, diameter. The pi is the ratio of the circumference and diameter. If you multiply, you will get the formula of circumference. Circumference is equal to pi into d. The value of pi is always 3.14159. Okay, this is the example of pi. Okay, next, where we use the pi, we can use many where, but some point is given here. Finding measuring of the circle, cylinder or sphere such as circumference area. In further classes we find the value of spheres, spheres, cone. In this or cylinder, in this type of solid figure also we use phi. And then after, to calculate the amount of water in pipe, to calculate the diameter of pipe, to calculate the volume of fuel tank. The tank is always usually cylinder, to calculate the area of circle, to calculate the circumference of the circle. So, and there is many more area also, but here is given some area. So, in this area we use pi. Okay. Next please. And this is the way how to find formula of area of circle. It is given, but we have less time, so I cannot explain this one. But this is the way, if you see carefully, we cut the circle into 16 equal parts and we arrange it, and when we arrange it, it likes a parallelogram, and then we use the area of a parallelogram, then we will get the formula area of circle as A is equal to pi r square. But I have not less time, that is why I am not going to explain this one. Next. Here is also another method to find area of the circle by drawing triangles. but already I have told you that I have now no time, that's why I am not going to explain this one. In any day, if we have time, then I can explain both the way how to find out the area of the circle. Okay. So, thank you very much for today. I have finished my all time, and I hope that you are enjoying our classes and you are enjoying to do your work also. Again, I am repeating you, you can watch this video, our videos 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then after you will get answer. If you will not get any, if you are confusion in any point, then you can ask me by writing comments in YouTube channel or Facebook Live, or you can ask with your teacher of the school. Okay. Hopefully, have a nice day. Bye. Namaste.